Hello and welcome, everyone. If you're looking to create your own streaming platform, this is the video for you. We're going to break down the different formats, how we did this, what platforms we use, and which apps we created to walk you step by step different options to launch your very own streaming network for your brand. If you're a content creator, business, whatever you're doing. So let's get started. Make sure in the comment section down below you're letting me know if you're watching this live, hashtag live or hashtag replay. Okay. And if you want the free guide, we have a free guide to break down how to create a streaming service right now. And that guide is free. I'll put it in the chat down below. So let's get into what we're going to be talking about this evening. We're going to be looking at the three ways to build your own streaming platform, the two different platforms that I would suggest to use. We're going to be looking at our own examples of how we did it, how we work with clients to do this as well. We're going to look at the key features. We're going to go through the app and we're going to answer all of your questions. This is part of a larger series that we've been working on for the last year. So let's get right into it. So the first one is, what are the different ways to build your own streaming platform? Well, you can do this in a couple different ways. You can do this using a learning management system like an LMS, like Podia, Maestro, the list goes on. Or you can use something like a VOD, which is video on demand. So, an example of an LMS is like Maestro. We have a video coming out in a couple of days talking about this, but you could use this because it allows you to be selling videos behind a paywall. So if you've seen Teachable or others, you can be having this for your own brand. That's option number one. The second one that you could be doing is doing something like Tiuto, where it's video on demand. So you can have your own mobile application, you can have your own TV apps and your own website. And that's what we did as well. So there are multiple different ways. What we're going to focus on mainly would be a video on demand or it would be an LMS. So again, let's bring this up on stage right here. This is an example of an app that we built. We built two different applications. We built an app using Tuyuto, and then we used an app using SupaPass as well. So if you've been interested in those, there's going to be links down below. But those are all apps that we just built out using these platforms. And so that's something to consider if you want to do this for your own brand as well. And you can see that was Tuyuto. And then we're going to be looking at SuperPass right there as we look into that. You can have a front screen. Then you're going to be able to navigate, be able to have podcasts if you want. And then also you can have your own videos that you can start having. You can see our documentaries and things like that using the app as well. And we're going to break that down all in a little bit. So, okay, like I mentioned at the beginning, the different ways to build your own streaming service. You can do that with Tuto, which would be a video on demand, or you could do this as a learning management system such as Maestro. Now, there is like a one in between that we also like to use as well. That's going to be SuperPass. That's similar to like almost a white labeled Patreon. And that's something that you can use as well. So let me know in the comment section down below. Do you want to do a video on demand? Do you want to do something where it's going to be more like Patreon and things like that? Let me know. So we have that broken down into different options that we could have. Now, what are the different platforms that you could use? Let's break that down. Here are the three that you could be using. Number one, Super Pass. Number two, Tuyuto. Or number three, Maestro. For us, I would either go with Tuyuto if I'm going to go with a straight platform where I'm going to need video on demand and that's the main focus, or if I'm looking at SuperPass where I need to have something like Patreon, but I can have more control, I can have more customization, I can have it white labeled. That's what I would use. If I'm trying to go the community route, Maestro is really new. There's going to be a new video dropping tomorrow talking about Maestro, but that's another option as well if you're looking for alternative to Kajabi, Podia, those kind of things. But it's not going to allow you to have a streaming platform, all of the bells and whistles, just aspects of it. For example, if we look at pricing right here, we can see Netflix style catalog. So it's still going to look pretty good, but it's missing very specific things, what we're going to be doing and talking about in a moment. So we talked about the different platforms. Let's talk about pricing very briefly. All we need to know is there are free plans across the board. If you're going to go with Teuto, you can do pay as you go. If you're going to go with SupaPass, you can start for free, and you can start for free for Maestro as well. And there will be links down below if you want to try these out as well. And if you want to support the channel, there'll be affiliate links, so you'll be able to check that out. So we can start for free depending on whatever we're doing. If we need something more tailored, all of those things, you can do it for Prime, for Tuto. But again, all of them you can start for free. So there we go. Now let's talk about features. The main thing that I would look at is with SuperPass. If I'm trying to have my own podcast, if I want to have my own blog, my own website, that's what I would use if I was going to do, if I was going to use SuperPass. For example, Build With Me Club. This is built with SuperPass. So you can see that we have articles here. We can have different articles that we can link out to, all of those things. I can have a podcast that I can have people go right here to see the interviews and have all the video, all the audio right here. And I can have the videos as well, right? So that's one feature that I would look at for Tuyuto, and that's action over ideas. That's our other one. It's going to be a video on demand, so it's only going to be videos right there. So we've looked at the key features. Now, which one would I choose? It really depends on what I'm trying to do. If I want to have a full brand and I want to be able to sell sponsorships, be able to have a blog, have a podcast, all those things, I would go with SuperPass. But if I want a platform focused on streaming and I want to build up my own streaming network, I would look at I would look at Tuyuto. And again, we've done this with Action Over Ideas. There are links down below that you can actually check out these websites. And this is why we did this video, to show step by step how we did it for ourselves. So now there's a lot of questions. People always asking us, what does the app look like? Let's take a look at the app right now. So this is an example of the app. This is using Tuyuto to create our own app right there. You can see all the different categories that we have right there. You can be able to favorite the different videos, download them. We can have subscriptions for the different services. So we can do a subscription where people can have access to all of the videos or just some of the videos if we want to. So that's one aspect as well. You can watch now a whole series of videos, or you can just watch one at a time. So that is all with Tuyuto. In the comment section down below, let me know what you think. Now, if you look at Build With Me Club, that's going to be when we use SuperPass. So as you can see right here, this is us going through the app. We have an audio section, video, and then more. So the interviews right there, that's where we have an audio. Then we can go to video. You can search through all the different videos. This is when we were with Ronda Rousey and her speech. So you'll see that in a second. It plays all the videos. You can add comments. So again, I can have more interaction with my audience. For SuperPass, you're going to be able to have comments. For Tuyuto, you can have live streams and people, different members can actually reach you when you're going live, and you can have shorts as well, like Instagram Reels or anything like that. Right here, you see the example of the different videos. We have trailers. We have all of this. Again, this is using SuperPass. We do this for our clients. We've done this for our own brands. And that's why we've created all of these resources right now to show you what it looks like, the experience, and all those things. That also shows the pricing tier that you can purchase on the App Store as well. So like $50+ a month, 57, and 375 per year. So Those are different things that you could be doing. Let's switch over again. So these are two of our different sites that we've created, two different platforms for people to understand what to do, how you could use it. And again, if you want to have your own streaming service, make sure that you click the link in the description down below or in the live stream. You can actually get the free guide that we made, how we do this step by step, and different options that we do this for our clients or for our students and do it and help you along the way. So, in the comment section down below, let me know, what are you trying to build? Are you trying to have something more like Patreon, where it'd be something like SupaPass, or do you want to have something like To where you're creating your own video on demand? And if you want us to create more videos about creating your own streaming platform, talking about app creation, talking about building your own online business, and talking to different ones that are making $5,000 to $6,000 per month just having a streaming service, let us know in the comment section down below. Again, thank you so much for watching. We're going to be coming out with brand new videos talking about this more. But if you want to know more how you can do this for 2025, make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel, or let us know in the comment section what you're looking to build. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.